All right, 3, 2, 1. Man, that means showtime when you have a Logitech webcam from Best Buy. $75, folks, for the C920 Logitech webcam. I just had someone ask me about it. And there, I'm done. My video's done. I just made a 17-second video. It would be by far my shortest. I should have just ended it and said, I'm done, and then go have a sandwich. But that's just not me. I got to promote LiveGood, see how you guys are doing, and make sure you guys are promoting and having fun. And if you have not even joined yet, well, you better join underneath my downline or I'm going to cry. I'm going to go crazy and whine. Get some Kleenex out. Look, I have got Kleenex right here. And, of course, an energy drink. I mean, that's a no-brainer. Don't you all have Rockstar and Kleenex? Everyone else has like super reds, super greens. Let's see. Oh, amino acid fruit punch, of course. Everyone pretends they just drink it all day and they're just getting healthy as a horse. But in the meantime, they have Hawaiian Tropic Punch. And half of our downline probably has a beer. Just kidding. I don't think I am. They probably do. All right, Cory Draper here. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate it. I love LiveGood. It's a good company. I really do hope that you join. I think it's not that it's easy, but I think the process of joining and learning what you should probably do to get people to watch your video or to watch or read your email or look at your Facebook page. You can post videos and you can provide links to videos. There's so much stuff you can do on Facebook. I tell everyone, if you're going to get good at one thing, Facebook is probably one that you should look into. Okay, most people have it. It's free, obviously, if you have a computer and, cell phone or whatnot. But when it comes to social media, I still think it's the best all around. But do what you know. If you're a TikTok superstar, then do that, of course. Instagram is always going to be great. Let's see, Threads is brand new. It's kind of a clone of Twitter, formerly X. But LinkedIn, I promote all over the place because I use artificial intelligence called Nowsite. And with their new My AI, it puts up all the social media platforms. And I can just go in there and say, write me a post. And the AI will write it in like 5 seconds about LiveGood, of course. And then I just add my capture page, which is joincory.com. Okay. Pretty simple. I can teach you all this stuff. I'm just kind of riffing right now. And then I click a link that says LinkedIn. I just cut, paste, and it'll even attach a picture of like someone in fitness. Because, LiveGood is mostly right now, as of September 11th of 2023, it's mostly about fitness, magnesium tablets, vitamin supplements, CBD oil, protein powder. So my AI software usually gets like someone biking or hiking or just doing something physical, maybe even doing aerobics or weightlifting. So I just go ahead and post on Instagram, Facebook. It's called Twitter, but it's called X now. Even LinkedIn. I know a lot of people, they're going to avoid LinkedIn. They think it's just a bunch of doctors and lawyers and scientists just talking about business. But believe me, they're bored. 90% of LinkedIn can't stand their jobs because they're professional jobs. You got to dress up, wear a suit, put Brill cream in your hair and go kiss someone's ass. Believe me, if they knew that they could make a good living or side hustle, they would take it. And I guarantee if they're working all day, 10 hours a day at an office and commuting back and forth, they probably have a wife or maybe a husband in reverse roles where they could use they're gone all day. The wife or the husband's probably like, God, where's my spouse at? They're gone all day. They might want to work and just work at home. Like right now I'm in a studio. I just have a nice desk, big wooden desk. It's comfy. You can put your arms, look, I put my arms right on my desk. I put my hands like this, and I kind of do that. If I had I can do those things where it looks like a dog. If there's a movie projector, you can hang here. You can open these here. Pardon me as I get a drink, because right now it's after 1. Almost hit me in the face there. But yeah, you can relax a little bit. Study how to market, how to post. I don't think it's heavy lifting because I tell everyone, if you kind of entertain, I think you're going to have more success in LiveGood because 99% of the people are going to post just boring ads about protein powder and magnesium, and there's low calories and it's organic and it's out of sight dynamite. Okay, and they are. But if you're a little different and use some humor, or you're compelling, maybe a little sexy, maybe a little funny, or maybe just something different, maybe colors. I think my ad, you probably see the Hot Wheel logo above my head right here, or maybe my hat. My hat's kind of the same color. All right, or maybe you see the Grateful, can you see little Jerry Day for the Grateful Dead? Thank you, Jay and Rachel, for the poster, by the way. But sometimes colors get your attention. Or maybe it's the sound of my voice when I talk like this, all creepy. I have a little microphone here, that's why. I don't like, my head doesn't go down when I talk creepy because I'm trying to hide myself. If you're on this channel, I think you probably can find me pretty easy. I have my phone number below and my email address, and I do so many videos. I don't know. It's hard to be anonymous when you post, and that's kind of the point. You want people to feel like you're a real person. You've got family, friends, you have activities, maybe you have bills, you have just things going on, and you might need extra money because of it. Like rent, most of us have been addicted to food since, I've been eating since I was born. I think I was drinking mostly the first year. Then I went to like blueberry buckle and this green crap that looked in a jar. I think it's called Gerber's, like green peas or something. Ugh. And then I moved up to tacos. Once I found a Taco Bell down the street in Santa Barbara, oh my, the monster taco, forget it. And then the Whopper and the Big Mac and all the other fast food places. I used to live by an A&W root beer. My Aunt Alta used to take me for root beer floats. And there's a lot of cool food out there, and it all costs money, doesn't it? So I've been eating since the 60s, and I need money to do that. And I'm pretty sure you need money to pay bills, or to pay off bills, or to go to college, or I don't know, maybe you just want to buy some hobbies, like a little bit of Hot Wheels or Legos, or there's a lot of fun stuff. You got to realize life as we mostly know it, which is probably 95% of anyone that is interested in making extra money, or maybe they're in LiveGood or at least looking into it. Everything we do is pretty much based on you having an abundance of cash, or whatever your money's called. You go to Disneyland, money. If people have a restaurant, they hope you have enough money to go out and wine and dine. There's vacations, there's cruise ships, there's movies and music and Lego kits to buy. I mean, America and everywhere else, I'm sure wherever you're at the end of the day, maybe you want to relax. Even if you get a massage, you got to have extra money so someone can grab your body and go, whoa, mama. Or maybe you just want to get your hair done. I forgot what it's called. Is it a pedicure and a manicure? Maybe you just want that done, make you feel good. Everything I look around, the computers. I needed extra money to buy computers. I needed, get a hat, scissors. I cut the sleeves off every shirt. This is rare because I actually have a shirt with sleeves on it. But I had to save up a couple bucks so I can cut. And I had to buy a thing to shave my white fade. But Lord knows I forgot to cut my hair the last couple of years. That's why it touches my bum when I sit down. But we all need extra money to either live, support ourselves, friends, family, kids, or just buy some really cool things to build or go cruise on or to watch. We need to make extra money, and there's nothing wrong with that at all. And you guys, I hope you join LiveGood, because I think it's a really good chance where you can actually do it. You can post and be yourself, and then talk about the products and the opportunity. I'm tired. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm just on video. And people go, come on, you can do it. Finish your video, man. You can do 2 minutes. And you're like, I don't know what to do. Where's my notes? Be a reality show. I don't know. All I know, I guess I do know. I take that back. I definitely know that if you start doing video, even if it's quirky, I love it. I love watching somebody new on camera. I don't know why, but it's almost like a boxing match, or just, I don't know. You're like, okay, come on, you can do it. You can do it. And then how they're going to end the video. Okay, go to my capture page, joincory.com. Thank you. And then they can't find the stop button. They're like, and then for 2 minutes, they're like, son of a, where's my dad? Yep. Then you see for a minute they're just trying to shut off their camera and then they upload it. Anything quirky, I call it gonzo. That just means it's unscripted and raw. Just do it, man. Put that video up and just make sure there's something to your capture page. Like joincory.com, that goes to my LiveGood capture page. All right, which is livegoodtour.com/ whatever your username is with the company. This is all easy stuff. You can set it up within 30 minutes after you join. Take your time. It's real easy, guys. And I'll help you anyway if you join. So, all right, I'm going to do a whole bunch of video today. I got about 10 things I need to do on video. So that means 10 different videos. And if you want to join, I've got an insane amount of support. You're going to go to a separate website from LiveGood. You're going to put in your own username and password. Just go through each tab. Just watch everything and soak in. Maybe you're good at Facebook or email. Maybe you want artificial intelligence. But it's up to you and your budget. But most everything I teach is all free, other than $9.95. You did your 40 already if you're an affiliate. And if not, save a couple bucks. Let's get you going. And I just want to see you guys get the first 50 bucks. You'll feel good about yourself. If you get 2 people to sign up right away, which is usually the case, disclaimer, 25 bucks a pop you get next week. So if you have like your mom, dad, giraffe, dog, neighbor across the street, maybe you're a mom and you want your mom to sign up, or maybe you're married. Ladies, maybe your husband. Put them underneath you. Keep the money, because if he makes money and you make money, keep the money in the fam. That's common. You don't want your husband joining the secretary. Or guys, you don't want your wife joining the pool boy. Or maybe the ladies do. They're like, shut up, Cory, I want to join the pool boy when my husband's at work at his corporate job 12 hours a day. So you guys figure it out. Let's have some fun. Joincory.com. Get a hold of me. If you have any questions, please. I'm right below. Right below. All right. Boom. That looked kind of bad. I'm not going to do that very long. All my contact information is right below this video. All right, you guys take care. Okay, gotta go. Bye.